I've had some requests, or questions at least, on how to put arrows into your document. So here's a couple of different ways you can do that. First of all, let's make the font bigger so everyone can see what's going on. Now, I'm going to use an example from the Amazon rainforest, and the producers there are the green plants, like everywhere. So we're going to start with some leaves. So now we need to draw an arrow that shows the energy from the leaves is going into some consumer. So we're going to go to Insert, Special Characters. And that gives us this menu. There are a whole lot of different choices. In this choice, we're going to choose symbols. So from the categories, choose the symbol. And then within symbols, there are also a lot of selections. And we're going to choose arrows. And we're going to choose a right-facing arrow. And there we go. You can see it inserted it right in the document there. So now we can close this menu. Space, and a sloth will eat the leaves. And then we're just going to copy and paste. And we've got another arrow and a boa constrictor will eat the sloth. So that is a quick little food chain. Now we can do this. That's the easy way. If that's good enough for you, turn off the video here. You're good to go. We can do this a little bit more involved, and it'll look a little nicer. We can go Insert. This time we're going to do a drawing. I'm going to start with a text box. Draw your text box. In this case, I'm going to make the border dark green because we're doing ecosystems. Make it heavy so we can see it. I'm going to type the word leaves. And highlight it. Click on the three dots over here. We'll get more choices. And I want to make it centered and centered. So we can even make that bigger now. Let's go 24. There we go. So now, save and close. And we've created our first text box. Now, if we click on it, we can do, we can copy it. So we're going to do copy. And now we're going to paste that. So now we've got another one, and I've got three, so I'm going to make 3 text box total. So in here, I'll separate those out a little bit. So now I've got 3 text box, and we're going to change these to match up with the text that we need. So the second one is a sloth. And the last one, again, click on Edit. We'll make that a boa constrictor. And now we can go back to the drawing, Insert, Drawing, New, and now this time we're going to make a shape. And again, there's a choice of arrows. And now we can make the arrow however we want. We can make it big and fat, long and skinny, or just kind of medium sized. And again, we have options. Fill it in green, outside dark green, outside heavy, save and close. And now we've got a cool arrow right there. We can move that over, copy it, paste it, move it over, and there we go. We can see that we've got our final product there. Leaves to sloth to boa constrictor is the way the energy flows. Now you could also, at this point, if you were going to be even more adventurous, if you want to put your diagram or your photos, images in now, you can remove that one, go Insert and Image, and I'm going to upload it from my computer. And we'll do downloads. And found this picture earlier. And so there, we could start with an image. So the trees, and then I could go find an image of a sloth and a boa constrictor. And you can do it that way as well. And you should be able to size this as well so we can get everything everything to fit on one page. And there is your food chain. Good luck, everyone. Message me if you have questions.